Still juggling endless spreadsheets to track your interior design projects? Instead, imagine placing every project site on an interactive map using MAPOG, organized, visual, and easy to manage. Go to story.mapog.com. Start by creating a new map using the category story template. Give it a title, description, and even add a cover image to personalize it. Go to Add Story, then select Add by uploading CSV/Excel. Go to Select Point Type and create a location type called Interior Design. Select Point as your feature. Define your attributes, like project site and location, project status, and category. Then, upload your prepared CSV or Excel file. Next, match your file with these attributes. Select coordinates for location and see your data comes alive on the map. Next, go to Edit Point Details and select Category. Organize your work into categories: residential, commercial, cafe, retail, and hospitality. With just a click, every initiative finds its place on the map. Next, add images and final touches, then save the point. Go to Style Layer and choose Category Style, and with one click, you can style your map by project status, so you'll instantly see which projects are ongoing, completed, or upcoming. The best part? Once your map is ready, preview it and share the link publicly with clients, colleagues, or teams. No messy files, just one interactive map everyone can access. So, why stay stuck in spreadsheets when you can manage projects on a map? MAPOG makes it effortless, helping interior designers, architects, and even urban planners stay organized and collaborative. If you need any help with adding or uploading data, performing map analysis, creating map stories, or map or GIS consultancy, feel free to contact us at support@mapog.com anytime.